Going semis na yata ka guys. Irwin, Philippines. Irwin!
15 seconds. B.
Lane B siya yata.
Engine on.
Philippines,
Ready.
lane.
Wait.
Wait lang. Nagka-problema. Irwin.
Time is up.
Binibilangan nyo ha.
You got another 5 seconds.
No? Sabotage.
Let's go. Go.
Bakit ka?
Go.
Oy, ay sayang. Binitawan na. Sayang naman yun. Nadali tayo guys.
Okay, we got rerun. Get ready. Alright, congratulations to
May chance pa yan, may chance pa.